Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean, and this is Rivers TV. Today I'll be talking about the new 2022 Idaho Conventional Loan Limits. Now, they were just announced yesterday officially by FHFA, and they are going to be $647,200. Leading up to this, dating back to like October, it was believed by many industry officials that they were going to be 625,000. And then of course the high cost areas could be anywhere between the 625 and 937,500, which is 1.5 times the normal conventional limit. And that's how the high cost states of Alaska and Hawaii get their calculations. Bear in mind, these are for single family homes. However, the official announcement on the last day of November by FHFA announced even higher loan limits, which is very cool, at $647,200 for most counties in Idaho. There are 3 exceptions. You have Blaine County and Camas County, which are going to be $648,600, and then you have Teton County, which is going to be $970,800, which again is just 1.5 times the normal conventional limit announced just yesterday by FHFA. Now, what does this mean? So if you needed to borrow more than that amount to purchase a home or refinance or whatever, it means you would need a jumbo home loan. And they're just a little bit harder to get. Not much, but there's a few perks that go along with doing a conventional loan. The first one being is that when we get the approval, we run it through either Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae's desktop underwriting. It's called DU, or Loan Prospector. And it looks at all the variables, one of which is your home value and your address. And it will tell us that we either need an appraisal or we don't. If we don't, it's technically called a PIW, a property inspection waiver. And it just means that we can save some time and costs because we don't need an actual appraisal. The system seems to think that the value we put in there works. Doesn't happen all the time, depends on the transaction, etc. But it's very, very nice when we get those. Another benefit is that there's less reserve requirements for conventional loans than jumbo loans. Another benefit is the rates are lower. And in addition to that, the debt to income ratios, we can go all the way up to about 50% in many cases, whereas jumbo loans are capped at 42 or 43% debt to income ratios. With that said, that's basically what we're looking at for the new Idaho loan limits, $647,200 all the way up to $970,800 in Teton County, and then of course the other counties I mentioned, Blaine and Camas, where they're set at $648,600. Now, if you want to get information on any kind of home loan in Idaho, check the description below, reach out to us, and we would love to connect. Take care.